Hi, in this video, I would like to show you how to factor a trinomial. Okay, what is a trinomial? A trinomial is a polynomial of the degree 2. For example, x squared plus 7x plus 10. Alright, first to factor a trinomial. In this case, for this example, the coefficient of x squared, or the leading term, is 1. So what you have to do is that you look at the last term, which is plus 10, and find the two numbers whose products of 10 and the middle term is plus 7, so the sum would be 7. First of all, list all pairs of the product of the two numbers that gives 10. So you would have first one, you would have 110, right? Because 1 times 10 is 10. And also -1 and -10. The product of the two numbers is plus 10, right? This one I would call it product. And the second column, I would say this one is for the sum. All right. So 1 and 10 gives a sum of 11, and -1 and negative 10. The sum is -11, right? And what else? We have 2 and 5, and the sum of the 2 and 5 is 7. And another pair is -2 and -5, right? -2 times -5 is plus 10, and the sum of the two numbers is -7. Now, like I said earlier, we first find all pairs of the numbers of integers whose product is 10, right? And the second step is we add them together or find the sum of the two numbers for each pair. And the last step is that we look at the middle term or the x term, and we look at the numbers including the sign in front of the x, right, which is 7 plus 7 for this example. Now you look at the column, at the sum column, and find the plus 7. Okay, plus 7 is over here, right? And now you found the factors or the products of the two numbers that give plus 10, and the sum is 7. Now, how can you write the factors of this trinomial? First, you write the parentheses, two parentheses like this. Next, you write x for each one, and then you go back to the numbers that you found that gives the product of 10 and the sum of 7, and look at the sign in front of the for each number. For example, for the 2 here, the sign is plus 2, so you write plus 2 in either this or this, it doesn't matter. And the second one is plus 5, you write here. Someone may write x plus 5 and x plus 2. They're the same. Okay, because sometimes you may think 5 and 2 first, not 2, 5, right? That's fine. It's the same thing. And now to check your answer, you multiply them, you expand them. So you multiply x to x, that gives you x squared. And next you multiply x to 2, that gives you plus 2x. Next you multiply plus 5 to x, give you plus 5x. And the last multiplication, you multiply 5 to 2. Plus 5 times plus 2 give you plus 10. These two like terms, you can combine them, that give you plus 7x, right? The first one is x squared and the last one is plus 10. and you go back to your problem, to the original polynomial, and you see that it's the same thing. That means it's correct. And this is a very simple example to factor a trinomial that all terms have plus sign. The next video I will show you more complex, more examples that have sometimes they have minus sign here, or this one is plus sign, this one minus. Actually, you can use the same technique. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.